I handle trucking cases, and I have for almost 25 years. When you handle a trucking case, you've got to look at the driver and you've got to look at the trucking company, because truck drivers oftentimes are pushed to meet a schedule. Sometimes they take and do things on their own to help them meet that schedule that they shouldn't be doing, whether it be driving beyond the hours that are required, or taking some kind of drug or medications to help them stay awake or alert or asleep, which is against all rules and regulations and laws. And it puts all of us out here on the highways at risk when you've got a truck driver who's over his hours, not getting enough rest, and or is not qualified, shouldn't be on the road to begin with. At MarshRickardBryan, we recognize investigation early, investigation thoroughly is important in any kind of case, but especially true in a trucking case. And the reason being is you're in such a dynamic and ever-changing environment when you're talking about a truck accident. Our goal in handling trucking cases, first and foremost, is to take care of our client. We've got to make absolutely certain that our client, not only for today, but for the rest of his or her life, is taken care of. So we've got to make sure that's accomplished. Almost important, as important in my mind, is making sure that trucking company steps up, accepts responsibility for what they've done, and realizes that. And then if there are any kind of any changes, whether it's policies within that company, procedures within that company, equipment, whatever the case may be, if there are some changes that that company needs to make so that our roads out here are safer for all of us, we want to make sure those changes are made.